people even call me the Eve expert.
Ooh.
Really? No, but I figure if I say it enough times, then it'll catch on. Any questions?
I have some
Call on me.
questions.
Yes, Miku and Chiku?
Why do people celebrate Eid?
Is there food involved?
What do you do on Eid?
Chiku, you're overwhelming Sadia with your questions. So, about the food.
You've got questions? I've got all your answers.
When you see the crescent moon, Eid is finally here. The month of Ramadan is done, a special time of year. With Mandy on our hands, we dress up and give out sweets. Gifts and greetings all around for everyone we meet. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, let's enjoy the day and say Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, time to celebrate. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, share a feast with family and friends. Think of others, the joy and happiness. Today we're grateful for what we have and everyone we love. We find a way to give our thanks.
Or the best part, give a hug. There are coins inside this envelope, a gift for kids to spend. Called Eid, use it how you like, or share it with a friend.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, let's enjoy the day and say Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, time to celebrate. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, share a feast with family and friends. Think of others, the joy and